Hey guys, welcome back. As I posted in another video, I was working on that friggin' Liberty with that valve cover from hell. I had put that, we went to test the car, noticed some oil on the ground, and it ended up being a broken AN fitting for the supercharger drain back into the pan. And yes, it is an old supercharger, but I love the power it makes, and definitely love the sound because that's what it sounds like. It actually asked for it. To get it home, I had to take the belt off the supercharger and block off the oil supply so I didn't blow it up. And I didn't like how the car sounded without it. It sounded slow, very slow. But ran pretty decent, and unfortunately, I did not get the test. But I did step on it a couple times, and the front end did come up more. So I think I'm on the right track at this point. So hopefully, I was hoping tomorrow, but it looks like we're going to get a ton of rain. So I ended up having to go to Harbor Freight, and I bought their Icon extractor set, and it worked pretty good. I tapped it in there and it came out, because I knew I didn't have that in tight, but I didn't want to poke at it and ship at it, and I didn't really want to damage this thing. So I did get it out finally, so I'm definitely on the right track. Another problem I wasn't paying attention, and I thought it was a 1/2 inch NPT, and it's not. It's not 1/2 inch, so it's probably 3/8. I bought that for like $15 for no reason. I know I got some smaller MPTs in here, but I don't think I got one on the angle I need. Let's see. No, it ain't that size. All right, I don't know what the frig that is. So let's see. 3/8. There it is. Okay, well, I got one. But, like I said, I do not think it's the right size. And, yeah, my garage is a shit house right now, especially from that freaking valve cover. And so I definitely got to clean that up, but trying to get out here isn't the easiest, especially with the working 6 days a week and usually 12 hours a day. So, well, I think I'm going to have to order another fitting, because I don't want to take a chance. So, I wonder, no, I think that one's too big too. Because I think I could have put this, nah, it's way too big. I usually try to buy extra ones as I go along. These ones I bought, they're for that friggin' plastic tube. I wasn't paying attention when I bought them. So, I think I'm screwed, because I don't really see too many of those fittings in any of the parts stores around here. So I definitely gotta start collecting some more. But I'm still loving how the car sits. Sits a lot better. It with the 28-inch tall tires, it was really high in the ass end before. So it didn't go good, especially with the trick springs, because like that's not sitting too low, but when you drive it, it definitely drops down more. And I just hope at some point I don't rip that spoiler off on something for not paying attention. So yeah, it's really dirty too. Well, guys, just a quick update, so now I got something with my truck, with the Duramax I gotta look at. I think it might be, it's making that whining noise. I was nervous it was going to be the turbo, And I think it was the alternator, because two times on the ride home it said battery not charging. And there's new batteries in it this year, so well, that'll be tomorrow or Sunday's ordeal. Well, have a good night, guys. Check back soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe.